According to local officials, Covington Village's tornado sirens are considered obsolete and beyond repair. During Village Council on Monday, Police Chief Tim Klein brought forth that the area's tornado siren model is outdated. The current system was installed in the late 1990s and has an average lifespan of 30 years. Klein is in talks with multiple organizations to discuss ways to update those sirens, possibly with grant funding from the EMA. If the council approves a new siren system, grant applications need to be completed by mid to late summer.